So I want to show you guys this strategy, how I got those spikes, these multiple spikes with this strategy. All right. I'll show you guys everything you need to know about this strategy from scratch. All right. How to define and know when it will spike, how to know your spike zones, okay, where the market will start spiking from, and you know that it will spike multiple times, and you be able to hold a position for a longer time to make more money. So the idea is to hold some positions for a very long time to make more money, right? Because maybe probably you had some losses yesterday and you want to recover your losses and make more profits, right? So the best thing for you to do is to have a strategy that can tell you when to buy and how long you could maybe hold a position so as to make more money, recover your losses and make more money. So if you watch the video to the end, you'll be able to learn how to do all this. Okay, so I've given this signal to the VIP guys. Bro, you need to join the free Telegram channel. Check the description box to join the team. You need to join the team. Check the description box to see. You will see the link. You click on the link to join the Telegram channel. You need to join the team, bro, to see what we are doing. We are doing amazingly. Like, we're doing great stuff there. So yesterday I gave let me show you the VIP already. So this is my VIP platform. So yesterday I gave 2 signals. We smashed 3 TPs, and my signals are not, I don't give those tiny TPs. I give long TPs where you have to hold positions for a longer time to make more money. Look at this, like this trade. We held it for hours. This daily chart, we held it for like 7 hours to smash our final target, right? So we gave 2 signals yesterday. We won the O2, we smashed 3 TPs, and today I've given signal already on the boom 500 you just saw, and we are making so much profit already. This was yesterday. My VIPs guys are withdrawing every day. All right. So you need to join the team if you really want to make money. All right. And the academy is open anytime. You can chat me up to join the academy and learn my strategy. Okay. So now I'll show you guys everything you need to know about the strategy and how to position for a longer time to make more money. All right. From top here, this is our daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we have markets around our key zone. Now look at this, market started moving from this place. That is a demand. This is a strong demand zone. Market started moving from this demand, okay, and then it went up back to this point to create a higher low before going up again. That's what I know. Now, I want to see market there was a break of structure here. There was a break of structure here on the daily time frame. Market broke this significant zone, a very strong zone here on the daily time frame. So I knew that coming down here again, markets will want to, since it has created a new high, markets want to hunt this high again, this level again. Markets want to hunt this level right there again. All right, to give us a double bottom chart pattern. That's what markets want to do, give us a double bottom chart pattern. All right, so now on the daily time frame, I could tell that markets will be going up, and that's a key demand zone. So on the 4 hours time frame, please follow up so that you understand. I will explain everything, you get a better understanding. Okay, so on the 4 hours time frame, markets created lower low, lower high, and lower low here, and then market went up and broke the last lower high and created a higher high. Back to this place, created this structure, and up to this point and created this other structure. So now this is a double top chart pattern and equal highs. So market coming down again to this point, touch the key demand zone. So now, for you to be successful, you need to learn how to define your structure completely. So now, markets created a higher high, gave us this structure and back to this point. But around this level, market did not give us any other high again. It did not create this high, did not go above the previous high, stopped the same place. Okay, you can see that that's equal highs right there. So now coming in again, it broke this structure that it left here. Now some people will be confused. They might think that we are about to experience downtrend because market has broken this structure. But this structure here is not a valid, it's just an inner structure. This is an inner structure. Okay, this is just an inner structure. So I cannot consider this as a structure, a key structure that will really affect the market. Okay, so market gave us lower low. This was our lower high, broke the lower high, created a new high here. Back to this level, give us the structure, give us a double top, chart pattern, and drop back to this point. So now some people be confused that market is breaking this level, it will start going down. No, the uptrend is still very valid. All right. So now after breaking this level, market went up, is down again to this demand zone to create a higher low. So market is just giving us a higher low around this level that it will be going up again. All right, that's it. It will be going up again from this zone. All right. So now, after knowing, identifying or defining, completely defining, redefine the structure, and I realize that market will be going up. So now I need to look for an entry, right? Reason to buy. What would be my buy setup? Look, this trade, I followed up this trade for a very long time, for like this. Okay, so I follow up this setup for like this before now. So it's not something you just wake up and start taking trades without a proper planning. If you want to be successful in trading, you have to plan your trade at least 30 minutes before taking the trade. You don't just rush the market. You rush the market, you make a whole lot of mistakes. I know, even as an experienced trader, it happens to me sometimes. Okay, so you have to take time, study the charts, follow up the charts, have a good plan, write it out, and follow your plan and trade your plan. Don't just plan and don't trade your plan. Plan and trade that plan. Okay, so now, see, since I've gotten that idea on the 4 hours time frame, I know that markets will be going up. Now, here, this level here is now a demand zone, a key demand zone. Why is it a key demand zone? Because we've seen series of bullish candlestick there. Let's go to 30 minutes time frame. We have this series of bullish candlestick here. We have this one here, this one, and this one also. So this is a key zone on the charts. All right, this is a demand zone on the charts. And again, if you look closely, you can see that there's a space here from this level to this level. What I mean is that there's an imbalance. There's an imbalance here. There's an imbalance here. All right, that markets will want to come down to fill up the imbalance before going up again. All right, so now I know that markets will come into this point to fill up this place before going up. That's why I waited for market to get to this level before buying it. Now, you also have to, when you're trading demand and supply, you also have to identify the last down candlestick. All right, the last down candlestick where markets started moving before the massive move to the upside. I would love to go to my 15 minutes time frame to look at that zone. So now, where is my last down candlestick? This is my last down candlestick. I identified the last down candlestick, I drag it down, and as I'll drag the box to the future, in case market comes to that point, then I'll be able to tell it has gotten to my POI. So now that red box is my POI. Once market enters that red box, I want to see the market reaction, price reaction around that box. Okay, so now we have the first touch. Market entered, touched this level. Where I missed the first move. Okay, market entered, touched this zone. All right, after touching this zone, went up, started spiking and went up. I saw it very late, so I decided not to enter. All right, Then after that, market came back to this point again to retest that zone. So what it's doing now is this a double bottom chart pattern. This is a double bottom chart pattern. This is a double bottom chart pattern. All right, this is the first touch bottom, and this is the second bottom. First bottom, second bottom. The first bottom here, in between the first bottom and the second bottom, you should have more than 6 candlesticks. If it's not more than 6 candlesticks, then it's not a high probability setup. And then it's the first bottom must be lower than the second bottom. If the second bottom is higher than the first bottom, is lower. If the second bottom is lower than the first bottom, then it's likely to fail. That's not an ideal setup. It's likely to fail. So that shows that we might go down. It might be a sign of change in trend. Market might be going down. There's a downtrend sign. Okay, so the first bottom should be lower than the second bottom. The same thing when you're trading the double top chart pattern. The first bottom should be higher than the second bottom, right? So now in between the first and the second bottom, you want to see have more than 6 candlesticks, and it shouldn't be more than 20 candlesticks in between. So now let's count here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 candlesticks in between. We have 11 candlesticks in between. So this is a high probability setup. Now, once you have a double bottom like this, what are you looking for? You're looking for a bullish engulfing candlestick as your signal. Around the last bottom, the second bottom, the candlestick that will give you your signal, that will give you an entry, should be a bullish engulfing candlestick with a very strong body. All right, it should have little wick to or no wick at all to the top, especially. That's a high probability candlestick, bullish engulfing candlestick. Or you should have something like a kangaroo tail, all right, like a doji with a very massive rejection below here, all right. Yeah, but it should the doji candlestick with a long rejection should be a bullish doji. So once it printed, you're opening the position. You must wait for it to print, then you open the position and hold that position. All right. So now, since we've identified this stuff like this, we've defined the structure. We know that markets will be going up for a very long time. Markets will be going up for a very long time. So you'll be able to hold positions. But let me tell you, boom and crash strategy, those indicator strategy can never tell you to hold a position to catch multiple spikes like what we did here. You can see the entry. All right, we've already moved our SL above entry. You can see series of multiple spikes. All right, multiple spikes, which your indicator can never tell you that. So that's the beauty. If you want to hold a position for a long time to make more money, to recover your losses and make more profit, the best way to do it is to know how to analyze. So I know a lot of us here, it's challenging. We think it's really hard for us to learn how to do the analysis. It's very simple, very, very simple. There's something, if you join the academy, all my students, they know how to do this stuff. If you join the academy, you'll be able to do this stuff in just 2 to 3 weeks. If you are really consistent and active, you'll be able to do this thing in just 3 to 4 weeks or 2 to 3 weeks, depending. And you start making money at the comfort of your home. You don't have to stress yourself. You just open a position, leave the trade to run, and you make your money every day. So we are cashing out every day. Every day we're winning trades. I give 2 to 5 signals every day, high probability signals only. All right, with TPs, SLs, and risk tips. Okay, and how to manage your trades, how to manage your money, how to hold positions. I give confidence. You work on your psychology, you fix up your mindset. You need to join the academy to learn all this stuff, because strategy alone is not enough for you to be successful as a trader. You need to work on your psychology. All right. So you join the team, you learn all the stuffs, and you see the difference. You start making good money. All right. So yeah, that's it. Let's go back again. So we provide signals, so you can join the VIP to make money for yourself. There's a promo running right now, special discounts. All right. Now, 4 hours from 4 hours time frame, we define the structure and we realize that market is going up at least above this level. I think it will be going above this zone. All right. So after doing the defining structure on the 4 hours time frame, I go down to my 1 hour time frame to see my demand zone. That's my demand zone right there, right here. This is my demand zone. Then on the 30 minutes time frame, I could identify that's imbalance here. The market will want to come and fill fair value gap. Okay. And I know market will come into this level to fill this level. Once it touches the last down candlestick, that should be a signal for buys with my candlestick confirmation. So that's it, guys. As simple as that. This is just one of my strategy. Okay, I have some strategies that I use to do my trading. All right, so yeah, that'll be all for now. Please don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel. That's the only thing you could do for me. Like my videos, drop some good comments, share my videos with friends, and join the free Telegram channel. If you want to learn my strategy, just send me a message. I'm interested. Then I'll let you know what next to do. All right, that'll be all for now. Bye bye.